Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best calming dog collars that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the ADAPTIL Calming Dog Collar. This vet-recommended ADAPTIL calming collar is ideal for calming and relieving stress in dogs. Each collar, designed to be worn around a dog's neck, works by releasing dog-appeasing pheromones that mimic a mother's nursing pheromones. Pheromone percentage in the ADAPTIL collar typically ranges between 2.5% to 5% depending on the size you buy. The ADAPTIL collar is easy to use, and all that is required is for dog owners to simply place the collar around a pooch's neck. The collar is activated by heat from the dog's body and is safe to wear all day. Each collar is intended to be used for a period of 4 weeks, after which it should be changed to maintain effectiveness. Also, in addition to helping keep a dog calm during stressful situations, the ADAPTIL collar helps eliminate undesirable behavior associated with stress in dogs, such as destructive chewing, excessive barking, and separation anxiety, just to mention a few. The ADAPTIL calming collar delivers what it exactly promises: a calming effect on dogs going through a stressful situation. The collar is easy to use, and the capability for 24-hour daily use over 4 weeks helps keep a dog calm both indoors and outdoors. Moving on, at number 4, we have the KOOLTAIL Adjustable Calming Dog Collar. The all-natural pheromone ingredients present in the calming collar are capable of pacifying your dog without posing any threat to its well-being. It doesn't interfere with your pet's chemical mechanism, rather it works on communication signals. KOOLTAIL Adjustable Calming Dog Collar works quickly and helps your dog in staying calm continuously for 30 days. It's highly recommended for pets with anxiety issues as it helps your furry companion in overcoming everyday fears, which are the root causes of anxiety and stress. It's a one-size-fit and is suitable for dogs as well as cats of all ages, sizes, and breeds. This flexible pet collar measures 24.5 inches in length and can either be used as a whole for older dogs or cut into parts and keep the extra parts sealed to be used next time on a puppy. We'll highly recommend this dog calming collar to the pet owners who are looking for an effective collar that comes at economical pricing. If your pet is often fearful and anxious about minor things, this pet calming collar can keep it under control. Going by the price, it's not a big investment at all, making it a safe purchase. At number 3, we have the Relaxivet Calming Pheromone Dog Collar. This calming dog collar from Relaxivet works by alleviating the fear and stress-related behaviors like frightening, excessive barking, stress, anxiety, etc. in your pet. Its 100% natural pheromone formula makes your canine buddy overcome psychological fears without any harm or addiction. Being crafted from a flexible material and manufactured to be highly adjustable, makes it suitable for dogs of small and medium-sized breeds. Its pleasant-smelling lavender essential oil pheromones help your pet in getting adapted to a new home, staying calm while home alone, friendly behavior with other dogs, getting acquainted with thunderstorms and loud noises, etc. We'd want our pet to feel relaxed in otherwise tensed-up situations, and Relaxivet has the best formula to achieve that. In doing so, this pheromone dog collar doesn't cause any chemical imbalance in your dog's body and there's no fear of getting addicted. At number 2, we have the Healex Dog Calming Collar. The Healex Dog Calming Collar does a great job in providing relief to your bongo from separation anxiety, fear of sudden loud noises, and stress, which give rise to several unusual symptoms in your pet such as panting, loss of appetite, excessive licking, barking, scratching, etc. It's a lavender and citronella oil formulation with sedative properties and pleasant scent that helps your furry friend in combating stress and anxiety-related disorders. Finding a perfect fit dog collar for puppies and large hounds can get a bit tricky, but this one-size dog calming collar fits dogs and puppies of all sizes and breeds. There are no side effects whatsoever in this product, which makes it a preferred purchase over some hemp-based CBD tinctures, dog treats, or others. Besides that, it lasts twice longer as compared to other collars in this range. And finally, at number 1, we have the CPFK Calming Dog Collar. This 25.6-inch CPFK collar features an adjustable length, making it suitable for different dog sizes. Not only is this calming collar waterproof, but it also is equally flexible and can conveniently fit around different pooch neck sizes, and a handy tooth system prevents the collar from easily loosening. The CPFK collar uses all natural lavender and chamomile essential oils to generate pheromones, and this generation can only be activated by heat from the pooch's body. Activation typically takes place within 1 hour after the collar is worn around a dog's neck. Upon activation, the CPFK collar releases odorless pheromones that have a calming effect on scared and anxious dogs. This collar can also be worn round the clock, and this product is capable of continuously releasing pheromones for up to 60 days after activation. With a promise of continued effectiveness for up to 60 days, the CPFK Calming Collar offers more longevity than most other dog calming products out there. And additional features such as a waterproof design and the use of natural essential oils to provide a calming effect on dogs make the CPFK collar worth giving a try to relieve stressed pooches.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.